Who's in charge? I'm in charge. You guys ever see in my videos this mountain of shit that was laying around the backyard? It's scrap time. Sheet iron went today. Jared's been working on that. He's practicing in the excavator. Look at him. Don't film me, don't film me. He wants to be just like Jay Pater. Yeah. This trailer is full of what I call unprepared iron, or what they call it here. Got a lot more to go in there, but I got half of it full and the tires are starting to squat a little bit. No, the airbags won't go in there. I'll sort that stuff out. A lot of machine cast. Holy crap. Found a few of them things. Hope we don't have any nuclear waste in the pile. I cannot believe how many bogey bearings that we've changed over these years. I just keep finding them and finding them. Right there. Bogey bearings and castings and cylinders, and geez, don't ever let me collect this crap again. What a nightmare to clean up. Scrappers are all busy, nobody's got totes. We happen to be renting that machine, so look at Nozzle Nut, he's doing a good job. As long as he don't hit the trailer. Look at that. You can teach a kid to do something. Thumbs up. Perfect. All right. He's gonna load them up and then we're gonna go get some groceries. Sometimes you gotta feed yourself. Sometimes. That's better. Maybe that's better. You gotta feed yourself sometime. Okay. See you, bye.